Good morning. This morning's objective was just to take a little morning walk, not going to work out like yesterday was enough. I'll stick to the gym and not really go in the park when it's half frozen. No, I don't think it has snowed this tonight or this morning, but it is rather like frozen all over. Like, look at this. It's not like it snowed, but the green grass is just white because I think it's frozen. No, I'll get closer, but and then the usual frozen puddles. But it's such a nice day. Again, very cold but very nice. I'll start going out in the morning more often. This is super cinematic. And there's also this little thing, I don't know what to call it. Yeah, it's super nice. People are walking with their dogs or going through this park for going to work. It's so nice. Like now there, the green grass became white because of the cold and the snow. I don't really know if it's snow, but it really looks like dunes. Like if we were to be on a beach. Like this is grass, like frozen grass with some bushes, and it looks like sand dunes with some bushes. Also how the bushes got yellow because of the cold, and now it looks like they're yellow because of the sun and the dry heat, which is not there, let me tell you. And it's so nice. These two lovers are still here. The temperature doesn't seem to bother them. How romantic. They even grew some snow on top. Some frozen berries. I was with some friends, as I told you yesterday, and a Swedish friend of mine actually told me these berries are cold resistant, I believe, if I understood correctly. And they can be eaten if like boiled, and you can make tea with them and stuff like that. But mostly they're like sustaining the birds. Like the birds can pick at them and just eat them. And I would want to say that it's just made up facts by my friend, just to use the fact that I don't know anything about Swedish flora, but we actually saw one bird eating one of these when like 5 minutes after he told me this very nice story. So I'm prone to believe him. I don't know if it's a right choice. I don't think I'm losing anything on believing him. This one is full. Look at all these berries. It's like an all-you-can-eat for birds. I found some dudes. They were eating. I probably bothered them, I don't know, but now they're on another tree. That doesn't look like it has berries. The one next to it does, but oh well, not gonna bother them. Everywhere I turn there's something that looks amazing. Maybe it's just the lighting and the snow, but it's so nice. That doesn't look too environmentally friendly. With all that struggling with the cable and moving the files, I think today is gonna be a bit shorter of a video because I didn't record that much because of, you know, not being able to use my phone. But I think now I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it on a good note, which is I'm gonna introduce you to my dear friend Lala. She's my plant. Of course, it's I had to cut the last clip because I just got lost in my words. But I wanted to end the video on a very positive note, which is introducing you guys to my dear friend Lala, which is a plant. She's my neighbor, or not really neighbor, she's my flatmate. The only person, or rather plant, that lives with me. And she's a she, of course, because if you guys know Italian, plant is a female name, and she's Lala because of the shape of it. It looks like one of those things on top of Teletubbies, so that's why I called her Lala. And now we're gonna go change her water, and you're probably not gonna see much, but you're gonna hear. I can do it like this. There's a sink below, of course. And now I'm gonna refill it. This thing is supposed to be done once a week, or about once a week. I don't always do it exactly every 7 days, but I think she's always fine. Like sometimes I do it on a Sunday, sometimes on a Monday, sometimes on a Tuesday, but I try to do it once a week, around every 7 days. Alright guys, this is everything now, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.